going to demonstrate how much movement the glass has got each way using the tilt plates in the spigot, as you can see. So that's maxed out and then maxed out the other way. So we've got 25mm play each direction. Fitted all the glass sheet from this front balcony here now. So we've got 4 panels in. So what we're going to do is go through, measure each gap, make sure the gaps are even, and then we're going to go through, check the heights of each panels, and then we can go along and then level the panels and tighten them.